Hello children, I am your EVS teacher. In the last class, we already learned first lesson super senses and second lesson is snake charmer's story. Okay, and already I gave question and answers to you. You have to copy in your textbook. Now this is the assignment for you. You have to copy these questions in your assignment book, that is one side rule book. Okay, write these answers in your assignment and send me through WhatsApp. Okay, so let's see question and answers. Okay, first question, answer the following. First Roman, answer the following. So here all are in multiple choice. You have to write either A or B. Okay ma. First question, what are sense organs? How many sense organs do we have? These are our sense organs. That means you have to write these. So which one? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So which one? Okay, you have to write here. Which organ is used to identify the smell? Either ear or nose. Here, which is useful to see around? To see around, that means looking around. Okay, what happened? To know what happened in our surroundings. Okay, which organ? Eyes or tongue? Next, which is useful to feel, whether it is cool or hot, skin or ears? Okay, so by the super sense. Okay, here we use dogs. So here dogs are used to detect bombs by its super sense of. Okay, so either smell or taste. So not only to detect bombs, to find the thieves or to catch stolen things. So for other purpose also we have to use dogs. Okay children. So in dogs, which is useful? That means super sense, either smell or taste. Okay, next one. In most of the birds, dash are fixed and cannot move. Okay, in most of the birds, dash are fixed and cannot move. Either eyes or legs. Okay. Next, eagles, vultures can see dash times as far as we can. Okay, so 4 times or 5 times. Birds can see things from a distance of meters. How many meters? So that means what we can see from a distance of meters. That means here you have to mention how many meters. Okay children. Animals that are awake at night can see the things only in which colors? Either black and white or green and red or blue, whatever it is. Okay. Next, dash feel the vibrations on the ground. Snakes or monkeys. Dash give alarm call by electric signals. Okay. Fishes or vultures. In Andaman Islands, tribes were saved from tsunami by the dash animal behavior or police. Okay, so definitely we can identify the disasters, that means natural calamities. So how? Either animal behavior or police. Okay, some animals go into a long deep sleep in certain seasons, that means in winter. They are not able to tolerate cold winter. This winter sleep is called, what do we call this kind of sleep? That means estivation or hibernation. Okay. Which animal hangs upside down on a tree branch? Sloth or monkey? Okay. A tiger can see dash times better at night than most of us. Okay. 6 times or 8 times. A tiger's roar can be heard up to dash kilometers away. Okay, how many kilometers? You have to write here. Elephants are killed for their trunk or tusk. Okay, rhinoceros are killed for its horn or legs. Tigers, crocodiles and snakes are killed for their either skin or tusk. Okay, people who kill animals are called. What do we call them? You have to write here. Next one, Jim Corbett National Park. That means it is in Uttarakhand or in Kerala. Okay, Ghana in Bharatpur district of which district? Rajasthan or Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Next one, sloths live for about, that means how many years? You have to write here, and in that time they move around only dash trees. That means how many trees? Either 40 years or 8 trees, or 80 years and 40 trees. You have to write the correct answer in these two blanks. Okay, faintest means, that means whispering very softly or made a loud noise. Okay, Sundarbans National Park in, okay, where it is? West Bengal or Kerala. Gir National Park in Gujarat or Rajasthan. Periyar National Park in Kerala or Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so once again revise your first lesson, and you have to write these answers in your assignment book. Okay children? Okay, thank you.